Drive's Carrier Site Tutorial. Manage subscriptions. Select Company Settings from the left sidebar of the Drive Carrier site to go to the Company Settings page. The company settings are only visible to admins. Under the Account tab, view your carrier's current subscription tier. The two tiers available are Base ELD and Navigator. The Navigator tier has everything the Base ELD tier has, as well as turn-by-turn navigation for the drivers and messaging between carriers and drivers. Select the Manage Subscription button. At the top of the pop-up, you can see your tier, number of drivers, and the amount you are being billed. To edit your tier or number of drivers, call Drive at 1-866-623-7483. To edit your billing address or payment method, select the corresponding link. Under Billing History, you will see a log of all of your account's charges. Select the Download link next to a charge to download a PDF receipt. Exit the Manage Subscription pop-up with the X in the upper right. Drive, your solution to ELD compliance.